I was waking up every 3 hours to feed my 6-month-old baby. I tried everything to make her sleep longer laps. Nothing worked. I was so sleep deprived, I forgot my own phone number. I was snapping at my husband. I was crying in the parking lot of the grocery store over nothing. I loved my baby more than anything in the world, and I was falling apart. And the worst part? I was doing everything right. Everything the internet told me to do. Everything my own mother told me to do. And nothing was working. Every night, I would go over the routine I had learned from friends and over the internet. The feeding, the rocking, the waiting until she was completely limp in my arms, the slow walk to the nursery, the careful lowering, the holding my breath. Then I found Sleep Training Made Simple by Dr. Greg M Oji, a pediatrician in Los Angeles who has helped over 2,000 families. Within 5 days, my baby slept 8 hours straight. No more 3 a.m. battles, no more crying it out, just actual sleep for both of us. The problem wasn't what I was doing, it was what I didn't know. I was accidentally teaching her that she can only fall asleep in my arms, and then I was surprised when she needs my arms every 2 hours. I had never once thought of it that way. I thought I was being a good mother. I was, but I was also creating a dependency I didn't know existed. But here's where it got even more interesting. It was not just one thing. The book also taught me that my baby needed approximately 1,000 milliliters of milk in 24 hours. That's about 33 ounces. But she was getting only 750 milliliters of milk during the day. That's 8 ounces less than her daily needs. I had no idea. I had never calculated it. I was feeding on demand, which felt right, but I had no idea if she was actually getting enough calories before midnight. 2 problems, not one. A sleep association she had built up over months, and a calorie gap I was trying to fill at 2 a.m. without realizing it. And once I understood both of those things, once I actually fixed both, everything changed. Night 1 of doing things differently was still hard. I won't pretend it wasn't. Night 2, she settled in 12 minutes. Night 3, she slept 6 hours straight. 6 hours! I woke up in a panic because she hadn't cried. I actually ran to her room to check on her. She was fine. She was just sleeping, like a baby is supposed to sleep. I sat on the floor of her nursery in the dark and I cried, because I finally felt like myself again. Because my husband and I had a conversation that evening that wasn't about exhaustion for the first time in months. Because I could be the mother I wanted to be, instead of the mother I was becoming. But before you go buy the book on Amazon, Dr. Oji has made the first part available completely free. It's called the Sleep Training Starter Guide, The First 3 Nights. And it covers exactly what changed everything for me and my baby. How to know if your baby is ready. How to calculate your baby's actual daily feed requirement so you know whether they're waking from hunger or habit. And the 3-night gentle plan, step by step. You put in your name and email in the link below this video. The guide comes straight to your inbox, plus additional tips for successful sleep training. All free. No credit card, no catch. It's free because Dr. Oji, a pediatrician for 37 years, believes every exhausted parent deserves access to this information, not just the ones who can afford to pay for it. My daughter is 14 months old now. She sleeps 11 hours a night. We have a bedtime routine that takes 20 minutes, and she actually looks forward to it. Press the link in the description below for your free guide.